Leo's lesson in friendship. Once upon a time, in the heart of the African savannah, there lived a majestic lion named Leo. Leo was not just any lion, he was the king of all the animals in the vast kingdom. With his golden mane and powerful roar, he commanded respect from every creature that roamed the land. Leo ruled his kingdom with fairness and kindness, but there was one thing that troubled him deeply. Despite being surrounded by animals of all shapes and sizes, Leo often felt lonely. He longed for a true friend who could understand him beyond his royal status. One sunny day, while Leo was patrolling his kingdom, he stumbled upon a young gazelle named Grace. Grace was caught in a thorn bush, struggling to free herself. Without hesitation, Leo sprang into action and freed the gazelle from the thorns. "Thank you, Your Majesty," Grace said, trembling with relief. Leo smiled warmly. "You're welcome, Grace. Are you hurt?" Grace shook her head. "No, thanks to you, I'm fine. But why did you help me? Aren't lions supposed to hunt gazelles?" Leo chuckled. "Not all lions follow those old rules, Grace. I believe in helping others, regardless of who they are." From that day on, Grace and Leo became the unlikeliest of friends. They spent their days exploring the kingdom together, sharing stories, and learning from one another. Grace showed Leo the beauty of the savannah from a perspective he had never seen before, while Leo shared his wisdom and protection with Grace. Their friendship blossomed and soon spread throughout the kingdom. Animals who were once wary of the Lion King now saw him in a different light, as a compassionate and caring leader. However, one day, a pack of hyenas threatened to invade the kingdom. They were known for their cunning and cruelty, and Leo knew he had to protect his friends at all costs. He rallied all the animals together, devising a plan to defend their home. As the battle ensued, Leo fought bravely at the front lines alongside his fellow animals. Grace stood by his side, offering her support and encouragement. Together, they drove the hyenas away, ensuring the safety of their kingdom. After the battle, the animals gathered around Leo, cheering and praising him for his courage and leadership. But Leo knew that it was not his strength alone that saved the kingdom. It was the unity and friendship among all the animals that prevailed. In the end, Leo realized that true friendship knows no bounds. It transcends differences and brings out the best in everyone. From that day forward, Leo ruled his kingdom with even greater kindness and compassion, knowing that he was never truly alone as long as he had friends by his side. And so, the Lion King and his friends lived happily ever after, proving that friendship is the greatest treasure of all.